All right, what did Klein just send us? Ooh. All right, we got the S-shaped jaw. What is this called? Quick Adjust S-jaw pipe wrench. Man, this thing is huge. Let's get it open. Actually, got a Klein knife right here. I did not request this one. It was sent to me. Okay, we got a big, huge. Oh! Look at the springy action there. Okay, so this is. You know what? That is kind of cool. It's basically just giant pliers with a quick release on it. That's kind of cool. I think I need that. Two inch round, 1.5 inches. Durable, no doubt. I'm trying to think what I can even try this on, man. 2 inch is pretty standard for, you know, residential. This is a 2 inch PVC. So 2 inch rigid would be something that we would use this for. This seems more like for plumbing, but I don't even know. This is right there, Max 2.0, and Max is a 1.5 inch hex bolt. It is the 68231 from Klein Tools, and it is an option. Interesting. We will have to see what we can do with this. Let's go see if we can put this on some 2 inch pipe in the garage. We'll see you guys in a second. We'll see you guys in the garage. All right. This is not 2 inch pipe, but we can kind of get an idea. Oh, okay. Yeah, this grabs very nicely on round surfaces. Let's see here. Slide it down one more click. Oh man, that is actually, that's amazing. Now, of course, this is not the ideal clamp, but wow, that's pretty decent. I'm gonna see if I can get my body weight on it. I mean, yeah, I can easily kind of, let's roll this back around to the flat. Let's clamp on this more. Can I? I can almost get my body weight on it. This thing's clamping tight, but it's just not quite tight enough. But you guys can see where I can. It's pretty incredible, the clamping ability of this thing. That's great. Let's try something and we'll be right back. We'll give it some extra biting power so it doesn't roll around so much. Now we'll try clamping it. So if we are forcing down this way, we want it to try to roll like that. Let's see. Hey, you know, we can actually just roll the screws right on it. Yeah, this thing's got a lot of power, guys. It's not going to slip. That's completely round surface. And, you know, we could do some serious damage to this pipe, actually. That's some serious holding power. We don't even try it on anything hexed. Let's see what the teeth look like. Of course, the pipe's a little bit, you know, softer. What a cool design. Yeah, again, this is the 68231, and yeah, it's available from Klein. Let me know what you guys think. We'll see you guys in the next one.